Today I'm going to show you NYNJA Drive, which is our newest extension to the NYNJA Communications platform. NYNJA Drive lets you manage files and folders securely and share and send files with people both internally and externally, all in a very, very easy way. So to go ahead, I will first show you how do you access the NYNJA Drive. Simply click on the NYNJA Drive icon from the top of your NYNJA screen. It will open NYNJA Drive in a new tab. So why would you want to use NYNJA Drive? Well, first of all, it's beautifully integrated with NYNJA, as I will show you. But second of all, let's just say it fits the bill. It's cheaper than Dropbox with 5 times the free storage, and it's easier to use than Google Drive, at least in my opinion. So let's show you how it works. Here is your dashboard where you have a list of all your existing libraries. My library, it will be created for you by default, and you can create as many libraries as you wish by clicking the New Library button. I'll go into the My Library folder for a moment, and you can see here are a bunch of files that I've already uploaded, some of which I can view without even downloading. For example, if it's a JPEG or a PDF or any of the common formats. And I can also go into certain type of files like doc files where I can't view it here, but I can download them, and then I can edit it and I can upload the latest version. And what's nice about the NYNJA system is whenever there's a new version, it will keep a version history, and you can go back to any version either by downloading it or viewing it, or if it's a previous version, restoring it as the main version. This is super useful when you're working on files with multiple people and people accidentally overwrite with a previous version. Another great thing about NYNJA Drive here is the easy ability to grab a link to any file within your NYNJA Drive if you want to send out. So for example, if I have this file and I want to send it to somebody, all I have to do is click on the link file, the link icon, and I will get an internal link. Now, what's so great about this internal link? It's read-only, so it's very secure and safe if you want to easily send someone a link just to read something without having to deal with the complexities of email or any other file sending solutions. So I can go here and I can click copy, and then I can simply go to NYNJA and whatever chat I wish, and I can paste that internal link to it. When people click on that, they will be taken to the NYNJA Drive and they can view your file. Another nice feature is that you can mark any file in any folder as a favorite. And the benefit of this is if you get confused wherever you are, you have easy access to all your favorite files right there. And if it's not important as a favorite anymore, you can just remove it, and it will still be back in your list. It's still there, securely saved. So one thing that our users have been telling us is that they need a way for people to store to upload files to them in a secure way. So we have a solution for this. I'm going to show you. It's called the Upload Link solution. So I'll go ahead and I'll create a new library. And let's call this, I'll just say his name is John Smith. And this is an upload folder that I'm making for him. So I'll go ahead and hit submit. And now this new folder has no files in it, but I can go here and I can just say share. And I can say I want to create an upload link. So what is an upload link? Well, I'm going to send him this link, and he's going to be able to securely upload files to me. And I can give him an open link, or for extra security, I can add a password. For example, like this. And also, if I want, I can add an expiration date. Like, for example, if he's only able to access this link for 15 days. So I'll go ahead and generate that. I'm not going to save it. And here the expiration date is now January 8th, 2021. And I have the link. So what is John Smith going to see when he gets this link? let's do an incognito window just for a second. And we'll go ahead and we'll be John Smith and we'll go ahead and upload. Oh, a password, right, because you set the password. So he cannot go into this folder without entering the password. And now John can upload files or folders as he wishes. So let's say he wants to add a file. We'll say demo. Now he can keep adding as many files as he wishes, as big as the files as he wants, no problem. And for extra security, if he was to come back to this link later, it will not even show him the files he already uploaded. So this is truly secure. Now, what do we see? Well, if we go into John Smith's folder, here are the files that he uploaded to us. So again, a great way to securely have people upload files and folders to you. Another thing that is really useful is to be able to share files with a person or with a group. So for example, let's go back into my library and I'll say I want to share this folder with either a user. For example, you can see here I've already shared it with Prakesh with read-write access. I can also add other people. For example, JR. I can make it read-only, or I can even share to an entire group. For example, we've already got groups set up, NYNJA Demo, Marketing, Mobile Development. If I want to share to any of these groups instead of to each person individually, I can do that too. So this is a super easy way to share all your files and folders with individuals or with groups. And finally, I'd like to show you, for example, what if you're just working on something yourself that's more private and you don't want it to be in an open folder? As you may have noticed, when I create a library, I can also set up libraries that are encrypted. An encrypted library gives you the option to put a password on it, and that password is used to securely encrypt the folder, which means that even we can't see it. And you can see here that it's secure because it has a little lock icon, which is different than some of the others. So what's different about a secure folder? Well, basically you just can't share it, but it's great if you want to have your own secure files. So again, whether you simply are looking to send files to people, set up secure upload boxes for external parties, if you want to have private encrypted libraries for your own personal use, NYNJA Drive is probably worth having a look at, and it may wind up being even better than what you're using today. And again, it's fully integrated into the NYNJA communications platform. You access it by opening the NYNJA Drive icon, and you can send links to files with any chat or group within NYNJA.